Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel Celebs Record. Today we are diving deep into the incredible life of Noah Centino in 2025. His jaw-dropping net worth, luxurious lifestyle and some secrets you probably did not know. So stay tuned because you won't believe just how rich he really is. So let's get right into the video. First of all, we talk about his early life. Noah Centino was born on 9th of May 1996 in Miami, Florida, USA. Raised in a sporty family environment, he spent his informative years in Bennington Beach, where his love for acting and performing became evident at a young age. Education of Noah Centino. Noah attended Bank Middle School of the Arts and later Boca Raton Community High School. He was involved in school theater production before moving to Los Angeles to pursue an acting career full-time, thus putting former higher education on hold to focus on Hollywood opportunities. Career of Noah Centino. Noah Centino's career took off when he stayed in Disney Channel shows like Austin and Ally and How to Build a Better Boy. However, his true breakout came with Netflix's To All the Boys I Loved Before series, where his charming portrayal of Peter Kavinsky made him an instant teen heartbreak worldwide. Since then, he appeared in films such as The Perfect Date, Celia Burgess is a Loser, and the DCU's Black Adam. He has also explored producing his set to take on more mature and dramatic roles, signaling a shifting from teen rom-com fame to serious Hollywood recognition. Let we know about his family. Noah was born to Keely Giano and Georgie Vincent Centino. His father is a businessman and a former poster. He has an older sister named Taylor Centino, with whom he shared a close bond. His family has been supportive of his acting career from the beginning. Let we know about his ethnicity. Noah Centino is of mixed ethnicity. He has Italian, German, and Swiss ancestry, which contributes to his unique and appealing on-screen presence. Marital status. As of 2025, Noah Centino is reportedly single. Over the years, he has been linked to several personalities, but he keeps his personal life relatively private compared to his professional venture. Let we know about his cars collection. Noah owns a modest yet stylish cars collection reflecting his laid-back personality. Among his known rides are a Tesla Model X and a vintage Ford Mustang, both complementing his eco-conscious and classic tastes. We know about his social media fan following. Noah Centino enjoys mass popularity on social media. His Instagram accounts boast millions of followers, where he shares glimpses of his life, travels, and personal thoughts. His charming personality and humble posts resonate with fans globally, keeping him relevant among young Hollywood elites. Some facts of Noah Centino. Noah Centino is a passionate supporter of mental health awareness and body positivity campaign. Fact number 2. He has also involved in social activism and runs Favored Nations, a non-profit organization. And fact number 3. He has modeled for Calvin Klein, showcasing his versatility beyond acting. We know about Noah Centino total net worth. As of 2025, Noah Centino's estimated net worth is around $4 to $6 million. His wealth comes from acting in hit Netflix films, brand endorsements, and recent projects in major Hollywood productions. His net worth is expected to grow as they continue to secure lead roles and production deals. And that's a wrap on Noah Centino's stunning 2025 lifestyle and net worth. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment and your thoughts and subscribe for more sporting celebrity updates. See you in the next one and take care. All the best.